Hey Glow Squad, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Jordan E, and today we're going to get into something super important. The 5 biggest affiliate marketing mistakes that you need to avoid in 2026. Look, affiliate marketing has been around for years, but every single year there are new beginners and even some experienced marketers making the same costly mistakes. And trust me, these mistakes don't just slow down your growth, they can completely derail your success if you're not careful. So, whether you're just starting out or you've been trying to grow your affiliate income for a while now, this video is for you. I'm going to break it down step by step, give you real examples, and most importantly, show you how to avoid these mistakes and get your system running the right way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what pitfalls to steer clear of and how to position yours to actually make consistent commissions in 2026 and beyond. And yes, I'm going to keep it real and I'm going to give you actionable steps, things that you can implement today, and some insider tips I've learned running my own System.io affiliate business. Before we jump in, do me a favor. If you've seen one of my videos before and you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss when I upload a video, because I do tutorials, strategy, and just different tips to help you with your online business with System.io. And I don't want you to miss a single one, especially if you're serious about affiliate marketing and earning money online. So, all right, Glow Squad, let's get into it. Mistake 1, focusing on the wrong products. The first mistake I see over and over is focusing on the wrong products. And here's the thing. A lot of new affiliates jump in and promote products just because they think that they can make a lot of money fast. And they may see a high ticket offer or something shiny, a product online, and think, oh, this will just sell itself. But here's the truth, it won't. Affiliate marketing success isn't about chasing the most expensive product or the one with the highest commissions. It's actually about choosing products that are a good fit for your audience. For example, if your audience is beginners who want to start their first online business, promoting a $5,000 course might not convert at all. But a $170 a year tool like System.io Starter Plan that's approachable, actionable, and actually solves a problem. Another mistake within this mistake is choosing products you haven't tried or don't fully understand. When you promote something blindly, your audience can tell, and they want authenticity and they want your recommendation to come from your experience and trust. So here's a tip that I like to go by. Only promote products that you either use yourself or that you can confidently explain how they solve a problem for your audience. So think value first and profit second. A big part of scaling your affiliate business in 2026 is building trust first, not just chasing commissions. When you pick the right product, everything else, your funnel, emails, and promotions will work better. Mistake number 2, which is ignoring email marketing. The second mistake I see so many affiliate marketers make is ignoring email marketing. Now, hear me out. I know social media and YouTube are amazing for traffic, but here's the hard truth. If you don't capture your audience in your own email list, you're leaving money on the table. So think about it this way. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube can change their algorithms overnight. One day you post a video or your video reaches thousands of people, and the next day it barely reaches 100. So that's risky if all your traffic and potential sales live there. With email marketing, you own your audience. You can reach them anytime in their inbox with your offers, updates, new content, and it's predictable, it's consistent, and it builds long-term trust. A lot of beginners skip this step because they think email marketing is complicated or they're intimidated by automation, but it doesn't have to be that way. Tools like System.io make it super simple. You can capture emails with opt-in forms, set up a 7-day welcome sequence to nurture your audience, automate follow-ups to increase conversions without doing extra work. And here's an example. Imagine you just launched a new affiliate product. Instead of hoping people see your social post, you send an email to your list of people who have already shown interest. Your chances of converting that lead into a sale is exponentially higher. So here's another pro tip. If you're not using email marketing yet, start with a simple capture funnel. Give your audience something of value, maybe a free guide, a checklist, or a mini course in exchange for their email. Then follow up consistently. The goal here is clear. You want your affiliate marketing to work even while you sleep. Emails are one of the most reliable ways to do that. Without them, you're basically leaving your success up to chance, hoping your next social post goes viral. Remember, consistency is key. Even sending one valuable email a week builds trust and increases your likelihood of commissions over time. Mistake 3, not tracking your results. The third mistake that can completely stall your affiliate marketing growth is not tracking your results. I can't stress this enough. If you're running campaigns, sending emails, or creating funnels and you don't track your numbers, you're flying blind. And flying blind in affiliate marketing is a fast track to frustration and wasted effort. So here's what most beginners do wrong. They post a link, maybe create a funnel, and then just hope for sales. If nothing happens, they give up or they think that the system doesn't work. But the truth is, you can't fix what you don't measure and what you don't know. So let me break it down what you should track. First, your clicks. How many people are actually clicking your affiliate link? 2, your conversions. Out of those clicks, how many are taking the action you want? Buying the product, signing up, etc., right? 3 is your traffic sources. Where are your clicks coming from? Are they coming from YouTube, your email, social media, a blog? 4, your revenue. How much are you actually earning per campaign or funnel? Once you have this data, you can start to see patterns and opportunities. For example, maybe YouTube brings in a lot of clicks, but very few conversions. You need a stronger call to action. Perhaps your emails have a high open rate, but low click rate. So tweak your subject lines and content. Oh my goodness. Another thing, tracking isn't just about numbers, it's also about learning your audience's behavior. The more you understand how people interact with your content, the better you can tailor your offers and recommendations. If you ignore tracking, you risk repeating mistakes and losing months of potential growth. On the other hand, if you track properly, you can replicate success, scale faster, and earn more consistently. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't luck, it's a numbers game, and tracking is your roadmap to winning the game. Mistake 4, overcomplicating your funnels. The fourth mistake I see a lot of affiliates make is overcomplicating their funnels. So here's a pro tip. With System.io's analytics, you can use the tools to track your funnels, emails, sequences, conversions. Even simple tracking can reveal which campaigns are worth scaling and which ones need improvement. And here's the truth. Many beginners think that making money online, their funnel needs to be super complex. They pile in multiple steps, endless pages, complicated email sequences, and confusing offers, and then wonder why no one is converting. The reality is simplicity converts better. Think about it. Your audience is busy. They don't want to click through 5 pages just to get a free guide, or fill out multiple forms to join your list. The simpler, the cleaner your funnel, the higher the chances someone will complete it. So here's a simple example. One, your landing page. That collects their email with a freebie or a lead magnet. Two, your thank you page. Confirmation. It gives them access to the freebie and a soft pitch for your affiliate offer. Three, your email sequence, a 5 to 7 day follow up with tips, value, and a strong call to action to purchase your affiliate products. And tools like System.io make this super easy. You can create landing pages, automate emails, and even tag subscribers based on their actions, all in one platform. You don't need extra software or complicated setup. Another common mistake within this mistake is adding too many affiliate offers at once. Don't overwhelm your audience. Focus on one main product per funnel and show clearly how it solves a specific problem. A funnel is just a bridge between your audience and the solution they need. So make it smooth and make it simple, and your conversions will go up dramatically. By keeping your funnel simple and focused, you'll avoid confusion, reduce friction, and build trust, which is exactly what leads to consistent sales over time. Mistake 5, not taking consistent action. The fifth and final mistake that stops most affiliates from earning real income is not taking consistent action. And here's the thing, you can watch every tutorial, join every challenge, and even set up a complete system. But if you don't take consistent action, none of it matters. Affiliate marketing isn't a get rich quick scheme. It's a numbers and consistency game. You have to show up week after week, publish content, send emails, and tweak your funnels based on results. A lot of beginners fall into the trap of analysis paralysis. They keep learning, researching, and planning, but never implement. Or they start strong for a few days, see slow results, and quit. Both of these habits are fatal to success. So break your affiliate marketing plan into small actionable steps. One, your daily. Check your analytics, respond to emails, comments, engage with your audience. Next, weekly, publish 2 to 3 videos or posts, send follow-up emails, and optimize your funnels. Next is your monthly review. So go over your numbers, double down on what works, and adjust what doesn't. Consistency builds momentum. Small actions repeated over time compound into real results. For example, publishing 3 videos a week for a month might seem small, but by the end of the month, you've created 12 pieces of content, grown your list, and built authority, all of which increases your chance of earning commissions. Another way to stay consistent is using automation. Tools like System.io allow you to automate your emails, tag subscribers, and even manage your affiliate promotions. So your system works even when you're busy. This ensures that even if you have a hectic week, your marketing keeps running. Tools like System.io allow you to automate your emails, tag subscribers, and even manage your affiliate promotions. So your system works even when you're busy. This ensures that even if you have a hectic week, your marketing keeps running. Remember, the only difference between those making $1,000 a month and those still struggling is consistent action. Knowledge without execution is wasted potential. All right, Glow Squad, that's it. The 5 biggest affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid in 2026. 1, focusing on the wrong products. 2, ignoring email marketing. 3, not tracking results. 4, overcomplicating your funnel. And 5, not taking consistent action. If you can avoid these mistakes and implement the right strategies, you'll be miles ahead of most beginners and on the path to real, predictable affiliate income. So here's the deal. Knowledge alone won't get you results. You need to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and optimize as you go. Every click, every email, every funnel step adds up over time. And eventually, you'll see the results you've been chasing. If you want to shortcut your journey, consider using a platform like System.io. I personally use it to automate my funnels, emails, and affiliate campaigns. And it's the same system I teach inside my free resources and challenges. Setting up your system correctly from the start to save time reduces overwhelm and helps you start earning commissions faster. Now, here's what I want you to do after watching this video. 1, like the video. It helps me know that you want more content like this. Also, comment below. Tell me which mistake that you've struggled with most, or even just say hi because I read every comment. And then subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. I post videos all the time, and I will be settling down into a schedule. And then also check out my System.io setup link, and you can join my email. I'll have the link in the description. You all have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Be blessed and goodbye.